The day on the mountain. Been a good shoot today. Had a good crowd out today too. Both wives and husbands and kids.
Yep.
Yeah, it's too bad some of them missed it. I don't know where they were, but
yeah,
maybe they'll be here next time.
He's a no-show. Brett a no-show again. No show last week, no show this week. I'm just telling you the way I see it. Hey, 143.
It's been some good shooting. Don't worry, we got all the bears and the turkeys taken care of. Now I'm gonna charge you this time. Got them pretty good, but sure would have been nice if you showed up, you know. And hope you're enjoying that sun.
Shoot Jace, just walking there.
Hey, Buckaroo.
Say hi, man.
You shooting? No. No, you're not shooting. Hey, Brett, wish you could shoot 140 yards, dude.
Are we going 140?
Here's 140
all right.
yards.
I don't have the tripod, but I can get her. Oh, I heard it hit.
Somebody just hit the bag from 145 yards.
If I had my tripod, it zooms in that far. Perfect.
Wonder right.
Where we at?
Number
4?
Focus! Like a bird!
Down?
Swap it to the Slim Jim!
Slim Jim. What's up, BFA boys here today? Down. Craig.
What? Thank you.
Lance. How was it?
Is that my camera? Hey, how'd you get that out of my pocket, man?
I think he stole my camera.
Mine's a Sony, I forgot.
Sony.
Same size. In fact, I probably have that same camera.
You gonna hit it?
Of course.
What are you gonna do to it? 12 it? Say pow!
How you doing?
I'm tired.
I love it.
It's pretty nasty up here.
I like this stuff.
Coming off.
They told me he was planning on filming this year.
We're up here at the bird.
I'll have to move it. Can't. I feel you. Yeah. Just put it to the right.
I'm off now.
Just put it to the right of below my arrows. That's a giant-sized chipmunk.
Oh, just about dropped that.
Nice. My buddy Wayne was the only one that did that goofy sound. That looks good. Wipe out. Go, guys.
Mike! What's up? What's this?
Right here.
Down. Brett with the headshot.
Brett with a bad shot.
Bad shot.
Mike up next.
0!
Mike
0-0!
He's anchored. He's
Mike.
ready to pull.
Mike, don't miss. Don't miss.
MLM.
Oh!
He hit it. Almost right.
I lost the target. Where we at? Right there. Hey Mike, what are you doing?
Oh man, dude, he's going for the gun smoke in the air.
We're gonna smoke the still.
Going for a half dozen.
The still buck.
And my moment of fame on camera. Give us a minute.
Oh, he said, hold up.
Lance, you gotta get me that. What's that?
Right, what are you doing?
You scared?
Going for the smoker, dude. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it, dude.
Well, are you going to shoot or not?
They're setting up the camera.
No pressure. Got the iron butt. You ready? Yeah. Okay.
Let's get her done, Mike.
Go, Michael. Still miss guy. The iron butt.
Oh!
It's in!
It's in.
It's in!
It's in. Michael.
It's in the hole! Oh yeah! I see it's knock in the hole.
It's in there.
Fletchings are in the hole.
Let's go check her out.
Dude, I think there's a freaking big old buck up there, Dallin.
I think I see it.
Let's go scope it. Hurry, come on, dude.
All right, let's go check it
looking.
out. Are you looking in the scope?
Come look here. The buck's freaking huge, dude. Look through the scope.
Oh my gosh. Look at the size of them. Holy cow.
It's a monster, dude.
You're aiming a little high.
You get him?
You need to bring it down a little.
Bring it down a notch.
Bring it down
dude.
a skosh,
Go
dude.
high, go high.
Ooh. Foam is friend, but you about hit the rocks. Oh!
I might be done early.
Here we go. He's got it. Booyah! Nice shot, Dad.
Way to hack. Ah, yeah.
Low.
Just under it. Barely under it. Barely under it.
What'd you shoot for, Dad?
109 yards on my scale.
Go down that way, yeah. We'll go down and around, I'm sure. You're hoping to find your arrow smoked, I guess.
Right under his legs.
I might need to take, if you in... Never mind. Changes this down. Think we can find it, Piper? Okay.
There, I heard brush.
Okay.
I heard smack. I saw brush. It was underneath.
Oh, right. Dude, that is a nice
I think this
shot.
is the definition of steep. Pop's just trying to go down that with his hand on the ground the whole time. Look how freaking steep this is. Smoke around Snowbird 2011. 103 yard shot. Looks like Brett and I hit foam. Brett looks like an 8. I look like an 8, but Brett almost looks like a 5. We can't really tell. We'll go up and see. Brett, what do you think, buddy?
Kind of looking like a 5. But at this point, foam is friend.
Whoa, I just about fell. Foam is friend.
Foam is friend. On the elite
Is
course.
this steep or what?
This is dang steep.
Smoke around, not the elite.
Yeah, that's, I corrected myself.
Okay.
Didn't realize that.
Okay, here we go.
Well, can't get a range on it. It's kind of playing funny.
Say,
on
Brett.
me.
Having fun yet?
Yeah, having a lot of fun.
Brett,
Kicking my...
do not forget to change your.
Here comes Craig through there.
Do not forget to change your dial.
Hey, what are we shooting, a beaver?
Yeah. Sorry guys, I gotta see where the vitals are.
Down and up. Where was you?
What? My definite 10. About foobarred it again, huh? Huh? What do you mean? My 10?
Sound like he's high.
I think I'm a hair high, if I remember what I said.
Should coming in each other.
Yeah.
Talking the arrow, right?
Ooh, arrow.
Oh, thanks!
It did sound
Dude,
good.
that doesn't work good when I don't have a mulligan.
I was aiming.
How's that work?
Did you not buy a mulligan?
No, I did. I bought one, yeah. But if he hit my arrow...
I don't know all the rules as far as if he breaks your arrow.
The things we go through here at Black Frog.
Dude, I'm just skiing with
Down, cruising down,
shoes on.
cruising down. Here at Snowbird. Smoke around. Dude, what we got Brett doing?
What?
Taking her easy.
Oh, really? I just came off down through that snow. Headed down through here. Down out through the snow to get out of here at the Snowbird shoot, baby. Smoke around. Oh, I just about went off the mountain.
Yeah,
Sick.
low, yeah, middle of his chest. Almost. Oh!
Happy for phone.
Jeez.
Oh,
I
look
like,
up.
after I let down, that completely ruined my thing, and I'm like, I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it go. I jerked it hard.
That is the coolest zoom. Bad news.
Boom!
Yeah. You know, I should have finished that off with a 10, dude.
You did, didn't you?
No, my second shot's great. Oh, see how low I shot?
Well, yeah, but your first one's a 10. It's got to be.
First one's a 10.
I can
Now
see
Brett's
the,
got plenty to choose from.
I can see the wrinkles on that thing. Got ass there.
Shot.
Good arrow.
How far
What'd you
is
do?
it? Oh, I shot
I'm getting an 86.
87.
Okay.
87 on the money. I shot 87 on the dot. First one was a dandy, second one I pulled. Yeah.